Check out this 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.